Okay, this is a 2009 Jeep Compass 4x4. Complaint is over bumps and makes a really bad noise. So, we're gonna take it for a ride, see if we can hear that noise together on the video. Ready? Wanna take off. That's the door lock's locking. Here, it sounds like something coming out through the floorboard. Let's go over these bumps. You hear it? That noise. I'm going to show you what that noise is. Alright, so now we're underneath the Jeep. Don't forget to support it with a jack and horses so nothing happens to you. You don't get killed. Okay, the noise comes right from here. This is your sway bar link. Okay, it's a sway bar link. It attaches to the top of the strut there and attaches to the bottom here to the sway bar itself. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this. Try to hold the light here at the same time. Okay, the noise is gonna sound a little small here, but believe me, it resonates nice and loud inside. Yeah. There's like a little ball joint in there. It's attached by the nut over here, and the same thing exactly up on top. Yeah, it's small here, but it'll go through the sway bar. Sway bar is mounted to the chassis or the body, and that's why you hear it through the floorboard, like this is going to be coming through your floorboard into your legs. Okay, this is it right here. Sometimes you can't check it if it's jacked up, only because it pulls on it, and when you pull on this board joint, you're not going to be able to get this movement. And if you turn the wheel to the side, it also cocks it a little bit, and you won't be able to get it over there too. But let me see if I can cock it over to you first. Turn the wheel to the right. I want to see if I can show it to you with a pry bar. Be back. Alright, I turned the wheel to the right so I can access this sway bar link. It's going to be a little harder to, it won't have that much play in it, only because it's twisted because I turned the wheel, so it's going like this. It puts a little strain on that ball. But what you can do is you can grab the bottom of the sway bar here or a little pry bar, and you'll be able to get that play. Let's even get the sound in there too. Ready? See, it'll resonate all the way to the body. I'm gonna get a little closer here, see if you can see it. You can actually see the play in the little ball of that sway bar link. Okay. I usually change them in pairs because if one goes, you know the other one's gonna go. All right. Pretty simple. Might be a pain in the butt to get off sometimes because the ball turns when you're turning this nut over here. So you might have to put a little vice grip inside there, grab the little ball, and get your little wrench or your socket and take it off. Okay, there might be a left and a right, so make sure when you order it, make sure you put the proper one. Left on the left, right on the right. Okay, enjoy.